Hi everyone, welcome to another property showcase from propertycozy.com. I am Tavia and I will be your property guide for today. Please remember to like, share, subscribe and hit the notification bell to be notified when a new property is available. Let's get into it.
Enjoy the spectacular view of the Caribbean Sea from the spacious patio of this delightful, well appointed 4 bedroom, 5 bathroom home. This house is located in the coveted gated community of Plantation Village, Richmond, St. Anne, just minutes away from the resort town of Ocho Rios. It is complemented with lush greenery and bountiful fruit trees. On the main floor, you are captivated by the open floor plan, which flows from entrance area into the grand foyer, powder room, 1 bedroom with ensuite, formal living room, dining room, and eating kitchen. The upper floor contains 3 bedrooms, including grand master suite, living room, and TV room. Throughout the house is the visibility of superb finishing, notwithstanding showcasing of the handcraft molding and more. All amenities are available. The land area of this property is 14,900 square feet, and the business communities of St. Anne Bay and the rapid emerging business district of Droxal are all within close proximity. This is a great investment property. Make this your dream today. Some other features of this house includes ceramic tile, garden area, ceiling fan, jetted bathtub, main level entry, fully fenced, cable, 24-hour security, night security, private setting, level lot, and gated community. The asking price for this house is US 740,000 or Jamaican $114 million. Now, let's take a look at this house and please leave a comment and let us know your thoughts.
watching. Please remember to like, share, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Also, for more details on this property, please visit the description area below. I am Tavia and I was your property guide for today. Until next time, put God first and keep safe.